Do you know why you're here?
बस बुला लिया. We are here. Now let's see what comes ahead.
So, well, I'm guessing it's with Swiss Wellness, so it might be something related to health and holistic living or beauty.
Hi guys, my name is Rashi. I'm a full-time working mother and a content creator by passion, and that's about me.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Sakshi. I'm a dentist by profession and also a content creator.
What does health and wellness mean to you?
The importance of health has actually increased. When you talk from a mother's perspective, we think day and night about what to feed our kids, kya junk hai, kya unhealthy hai, how to give them strength for the needed activities they do. So yes, I think health as of now is really important, and especially from the mother's perspective, all mothers are crazy for having healthy and clean eating at home for their kids and families.
So basically, there's a quote that your health is your wealth, right? So I stand by it that nowadays people just focus on physical and mental health, but there are so many all sorts of health and wellness which should be in mind. So for me, accordingly, it's a perfect balance between my mental, emotional, social health as well. And yeah, that's what health and wellness means to me.
What is your wellness routine?
Honestly, in this busy lifestyle, listening to music for 5 minutes in a day, or maybe walking barefoot on the grass, or maybe sleeping for an extra hour is all that I do for myself. But yes, that is the me time a mother gets. So I kind of enjoy my personal space, even if it is for 10 to 15 minutes a day. So I think that's what I do for myself in a day.
My idea of a wellness routine is just taking time for my own self, like just getting away from everything, like a staycation, or just being with my mother or my dogs for say. So something like that, wherever I can give myself some time apart from all the busy schedule. I think that's a wellness routine for me.
What are your favorite vitamins or wellness supplements and why?
Okay, so I take a few. ऐसा बोलते हैं once you turn 30 तो आपकी skin और hair का बहुत special ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, and that's what I do. So I take you can say vitamin D for bones. I take hyaluronic acid tablets and fish oil for again good hair, nails, and yeah, a few more to keep looking young. I'm not disclosing my age though, but these are the few that I take on a regular basis to stay fit, to feel young, and yes, to calm my mind, of course. Yes.
So basically, I am actually hooked to Swiss Wellness. So my first favorite is the collagen powder, and the second one is the fish oil. I love these supplements, like these are my go-to products, and also sometimes essential multivitamin, since getting in that age where I really need to take all these essential vitamins.
Get the supplement in front of you.
I'm already giving up.
So I have to drink this?
Yes.
Okay, this tastes very familiar. Is this the cranberry?
Something similar to vitamin C.
Collagen glow powder. I'm getting the collagen glow powder. I get to take this home.
God, ये game बहुत difficult होते जा रहा है.
I'm not aware, yaar. This taste is very different.
It tastes like a pre-post workout electrolyte sort of thing.
Electrolytic taste only to it.
थोड़ा sweet, थोड़ा salty, very fresh taste. And नाम तो मुझे नहीं पता है.
Magnesium glycinate and citrate.
Wow!
This World Health Day, what is one piece of advice you have?
So my personal advice to everybody would be to slow down. I know the lives are very hectic. We all are chasing for our careers, dreams, but I would personally feel that we should slow down, live in the moment, enjoy with your loved ones. Eat home cooked food, don't binge on junk. Later on, it will have a lot of effects on your health and skin. And take that needed break. So more than just physical health, I think we have to focus on mental wellness as well. So I think we all know what we have to do, but these are just the reminder points from me.
So my piece of advice is that please pay attention to your health, that nothing comes first other than your health. If you are healthy, everything is going to work out fine. अगर आपकी health ही ठीक नहीं है तो आप काम भी नहीं कर पाओगे. So what I think is, don't take your health lightly. अपने health पे focus करो कितना भी कर सकते हो, and because that's what's going to keep you ahead in life. If you are healthy, you are wealthy.